Is now the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into Nvidia. We initially published a report on our website on Friday, January 12, 2024, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any important updates that could affect your investments. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. As of January 5, 2024, our system has identified Nvidia as a promising investment, rating it as a buy candidate with a score of 3.42. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have experienced an impressive gain of 11.43% since we first recommended Nvidia as a buy candidate just 6 days ago. This equates to an average daily return of 1.91% since it was listed as a buy candidate. In the short term, the stock is in an upward trend, which can present a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is likely to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if it breaks the top trend line at $549.66, it may indicate a stronger rate of rising. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a potential 19.39% change expected over the next 3 months. This could result in a return ranging from 4.66% to 19.95%. Moving on to the 12-month trend, we can anticipate a significant 149.36% change over the next year. This suggests a potential return ranging from 115.60% to 150.47%. Therefore, after a year, the stock price could be within the range of $1,179.56 to $1,370.30. Today's update on Nvidia brings us the headline, Red Day on Friday for Nvidia. On the last trading day, which was Friday, January 12, 2024, the Nvidia stock price experienced a slight decrease of -0.204% from $548.22 to $547.10. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.18%, reaching a low of $543.30 and a high of $549.70. It's worth noting that the stock has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, showing a positive trend. Over the past 2 weeks, the stock has increased by a significant 10.48%. Additionally, the decrease in trading volume on the last day aligns with the decrease in stock price, which can be seen as a positive sign. Specifically, the trading volume fell by -24 million shares, with a total of 35 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $19.15 billion. Looking at the performance of Nvidia over the past 52 weeks, we observe that the highest price reached was $553.46, while the lowest price was $161.65. Currently, the stock price is 1.15% or $6.36 below the 52-week high of $553.46, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Today, I want to talk about some recent analyst ratings for Nvidia Corporation, symbol Nvidia. On Monday, December 11, 2023, Cowen and Company gave Nvidia a buy grade, indicating a positive outlook, but with a hold action. Moving on to Wednesday, November 22, 2023, BMO Capital also gave Nvidia a buy grade, suggesting confidence in the stock, but with a hold action. Additionally, on the same day, BMO Capital gave Nvidia an outperform grade, implying above-average performance potential, with a hold action. Wells Fargo, on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, gave Nvidia an overweight grade, indicating a positive view, but with a hold action. Lastly, KeyBank also gave Nvidia an outperform grade on Wednesday, November 22, 2023, suggesting strong performance expectations, but with a hold action. Analysts have given Nvidia stock a strong buy rating overall. They have labeled the PE ratio as strong buy and the price-to-book ratio as strong buy. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have assigned a rating of neutral to the stock. Let's take a look at the signals for Nvidia stock. The Nvidia stock is showing positive buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a favorable forecast. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of any downward corrections, there is support expected at $523.39 and $488.85. However, a breakdown below these levels would trigger sell signals. Another buy signal comes from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. On the other hand, there have been some negative signals as well, which could potentially impact the short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 11, 2024, resulting in a decline of -0.204% so far. It is anticipated that the stock may continue to fall until a new bottom pivot is identified. Notably, the volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, we have a buy signal. Pivots, we had a sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, we received a buy signal 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, we got a buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, we received a buy signal 7 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, we had a buy signal 47 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. Short moving average, we received a buy signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, we got a buy signal 49 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages, we had a buy signal 39 days ago. If you want to find more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. Nvidia currently finds support from accumulated volume at $531.40. This level presents a potential buying opportunity as it is expected to trigger an upwards reaction when tested. In terms of volatility, this stock has average movements throughout the day. With good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. Yesterday, the stock had a price range of $6.40, or 1.18%, between its high and low points. And over the past week, it has shown a daily average volatility of 3.47%. Before we move forward and discuss potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's first go over some important fundamental data. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio may suggest that the stock is overvalued or that investors anticipate significant future growth. Additionally, the next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for February 28, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $3.76. It's crucial to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, let's analyze some day trading levels for Nvidia. In an upward trend, the first resistance level for Nvidia is at $548.22. If you're not currently invested, it might be wise to wait until this level is surpassed before considering a position. However, if you already hold the stock, this could be a potential level for swing trading. On the downside, Nvidia encounters its first support level at $531.40. If this support level remains strong, it could present a favorable entry point, with the expectation of a rebound in price. The average rating for Nvidia by multiple analysts is strong buy. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 8, 2024, Sjoquist Deborah sold 5,676 shares of common stock. On January 5, 2024, Robertson Donald F. Jr. sold 450 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Sjoquist Deborah sold 20,000 shares of common stock. On December 15, 2023, Hudson Dawn E. sold 1,000 shares of common stock. On December 18, 2023, Stevens Mark A. sold 255,500 shares of common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power is negative with a ratio of -30.799. In total, insiders purchased 450,407 shares and sold 848,240 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $527.86, which is a decrease of 3.52%. This stock tends to have moderate daily movements, resulting in a medium level of risk. Additionally, the RSI 14 indicator is at 78, indicating a substantial increase in risk. We have also identified a sell signal from a pivot top that was found 1 day ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Based on our analysis, there are several positive short-term signals and a general upward trend, suggesting that Nvidia stock may present a buying opportunity. However, it's important to note that our systems have identified the current price as overvalued, indicating a potential for a downward correction. Looking ahead to Tuesday, January 16th, we anticipate Nvidia to open with a slight decline of $0.400 and begin trading at $546.70. Before we begin, it's important to note that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Please remember that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our channel, Stock Invest. Today, we want to discuss our current view on a particular stock. We value your opinion, so please let us know if you agree or disagree by leaving a comment below. We're also curious to hear about your target for this stock. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable trading insights. We're here to support your trading success. Have a fantastic day from all of us at Stock Invest.